Hi, I'm Nick from VF Engineering, and today we're going to show you how to tune your Audi R8 V10. Using our hex flash programming cable and a laptop. Very easy. All you have to do is plug one end into the OBD2 port under the dash, the other end into the USB port. With software and our app, which you can download off our website at vfe1.com, you can program this at home with our high performance software or the stock software, which allows you to revert it to stock and just take it back to service or emissions test, whatever you need to do. So with all our calibrations, we take the power up to 630. So the 540 horsepower, the 580 horsepower, and the 610 horsepower model all go up to around 630. That's on 91 octane. Now if you use slightly more octane, so if you're in Europe or you're on the east coast of the US and you have 93 or even higher, or you put a drop of slightly higher octane in there, you can actually get even more power just depending on the octane and the ambient temperatures.